Hey everybody, we're finishing. We just finished week 20. We're starting week 21. This week we're going to have study guides and performance reviews. You're going to be evaluated on your readiness for the certification paper exam based on your ability to complete the study guides. There's two, each one's worth 50 points. That's going to roll up to be a major grade in Skyward for the study guide. And the progress in your Schoology is going to be based on your completion of those two items plus watching some videos. And then there's going to be another major grade this week that's going to be coming up to school to do the performance review, working with the plasma cutter on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Friday, there's going to be a sub in. And the paper exam is going to be the following week, first day or two of the following week, maybe Tuesday and Wednesday of the following week. And that's going to be the end of Mod 3. So I need for everybody to take that study guide. You can take it unlimited times. Unlimited times. You will not be able to see the correct answer, but you can take it unlimited times. And you can see your answers. But the correct answer you're going to have to find on your own. That's the best way to learn. So good luck, and we'll see you guys out there.